Well, what am I doing today on Father's Day? I'm scooping poop. So we got one done. There's about 25 girls in here and 2 boys. So I don't know, this barn needs a lot of work. I scooped this out, put wood chips and flakes, pine flakes in here. So we set them up with their feeder and their drinker, and they're already getting comfortable with their nesting boxes. So, excuse me, they will, in about a week, I'll start getting eggs for incubating from them. They're 3 years old and still laying so well. Really good birds. They lay consistently. They're heritage, but they do lay consistently, very consistent, and they give you good eggs for 4 or 5 years. Anyway, that's them. Barred Plymouth Rock. And they're just getting settled in there. They didn't much like it. They didn't like me moving them in there. And so now, yeah, well, what the deal is everything's busted up. Hasn't been cleaned out for a long time. I'm doing the work of what teenagers would do, but I don't have any kids. I don't have any kids to do the work. So I'm cleaning this one out. We're gonna fix everything. We're gonna put chicken wire up here. Can you see my hand? We're gonna put chicken wire up here. We're going to fix all the in-betweens where they've been going underneath. There and over here. Chicken wire up here. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna have 5 breeding pens. Right now I'm shoveling this one out. Hey, I can't do everything. Falling behind in my work, but we're getting her done today. What I was saying was there's different roosters in here. They were going everywhere. So